Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty's Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well and are enjoy the best condition of your health. Warmly welcome to my channel where we bring you the latest trends in the nail art. Today we are diving into the cozy and enchanting world of fall-inspired nail designs. As the leaves turn to shade of the red, orange and gold, it's time to let your nails reflect the beauty of autumn. So dear viewers, whether you are sipping on apple cider or crunching the leaves underfoot, these fall-inspired nail designs will ensure your fingertips are fashionably in tune with the seasons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nail art inspiration. So guys, by my channel and by my videos, stay fabulous and we will see you the next time. Same videos with the same fashionable videos and inspired. So dear viewers, starting with the maple magic, and in this video you can see very stylish and very colorful combination of the autumn nail designs. So dear viewers, imagine the crisp results of the leaves under the foot as you flaunt a rich maple leaf inspired designs. Deep burgundy, brief burgundy colors and fiery orange and shimmering gold combine to create a nail masterpiece that captured the seasons of fall on your beautiful fingertip. So dear viewers, as you see that in this video, nail polish designs have a pumpkin spice elegance. So get ready for all those seasonal latest with the nails adorned in the warm pumpkin spice tone. So these earthy colors paired with the delicate gold accent will leave you feeling as cozy as your favorite fall sweater. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch my video till end because you can get very amazing ideas of the nail polish designs about fall autumn season. Woodland brings the out